Hi friends, we welcome you all. Today we are going to make some beautiful mushroom hearts with the help of the old egg trays. See how we are just cutting it down and filling it with some of the colors and creating the patterns that are somewhat the bobby print type. This one is so easy and nice. You may require the clay so that you can give it a look of the grass. See how beautiful and easy this type of the painting is. Let's make a beautiful tree out of the leaves that we have collected from our garden. You just need to just crush them so that you can make this dust, and then you have to sprinkle this dust on the glue that's actually spread according to the shape of the tree. This activity is so nice and beautiful. See how beautiful this tree looks. Next we are going to make some of the simple flowers out of the sketch pens. We are creating the circles, then we are going to decorate these circles further so that these will represent some of the flowers. This activity is very simple and is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 10 and 11. See how pretty and beautiful these flowers look. This type of the painting is very easy and it's very less time consuming. You may require marker to add more details, like we are creating the honeybee, and some of the flowers are edited with the help of these. Now we are going to make some of the flowers with the help of the marker, like we have made the stalk of the flowers. After that we have to make the petals of this flower. For this we are making use of the clay, and leaves are again created with the help of the clay. This painting is very easy and it's very beautiful and it's very less time consuming. Many kids are fond of the grapes. Today we are going to make a beautiful grapevine tree with the help of some modeling clay. We are creating the small tiny balls. These will represent the grapes. This one is so easy and nice. You can just give it a try. All you need is the white sheet of the paper, some clay, and some colorful sheets of the paper. This painting is so nice and it's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 10 and 11. You just need to be pro while creating such cute tiny little clay balls. Let's see our next painting. For this we require the fruit cover wrapper that's actually made up of the foam, and see how we are pasting it at the center. Then we are adding the background. For this we are again making use of this folded foam sheet that we are just making imprints on. These will represent some of the flowers. They look so beautiful and nice. Let's come to our next painting. For this we are pasting some of the stalks that we have created from the colorful green sheet. After that, with the help of the modeling clay, we are going to make these balls, and then we are inserting the earbuds that we have just cutted down at the center. See how beautiful and simple we were able to create these beautiful flowers. Just give it a try. It's time to create a joyful butterfly. For this we are making use of some color sheet of the paper that we are cutting down according to the shape of the heart in different sizes, big, small and bigger. See how we are placing them, and then we are placing them with the help of the glow stick and making some of the further details like the antennae, eyes and the cheeks. In the background we are giving some of the look that it looks so nice and pretty. Let's make a flower bouquet. For this we are making use of the crayons, or we can say the oil pastel ones. This type of the painting is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 7 to 8. You can just go for it. It's very less time consuming and it's very simple. You can just pause the video so that you can make it clearly. Thank you for watching our videos.